When you say these 5 simple words every day, you can manifest exactly what you desire. This technique is guaranteed. The only technique, the only key to unlocking all of your dreams and desires into reality. Manifestation is very simple, no matter what other manifestation gurus have been telling you. If you understand the core concept of manifestation, you will be able to literally attract every dream and every desire into your life. All right, let's talk about something pretty cool. You know there's this quote in the Bible that sticks with me. To those who have, more is given. The irony is that this core principle of manifestation also aligns with the law of attraction, whose core principle is that you attract what you think and feel. I've always thought Jesus might have been onto something, almost like he was ahead of his time with quantum physics, maybe even better at it than Einstein. So what does that quote mean? If we dive into quantum physics, there's this thing called the observer effect. 2 scientists looking at the tiniest particles that make up everything around us. One scientist is focused, paying close attention, and when he does that, those tiny particles become solid, turning into matter that we can see and touch. When those same particles aren't observed, they spread out into energy, almost like they disappear. They're there, but not really. It's like playing fetch with a dog. You throw the ball, and it's gone. But as soon as you call for it, it comes right back. So, back to the quote. To those who have, more is given. It's kind of like saying, when you know something is yours, when you're sure of it, more of it comes to you. But when you're focused on what you don't have, it just slips away. Now here's the fun part. How do we use this idea to get what we want? Think about something specific you want. Now just say these 5 simple words. Thank you for hearing me. That's it. It's about knowing, feeling, and believing that what you want is already yours. When you do that, you open the door for more to come your way. If you want to move mountains, don't just say, please, mountain, move for me. It's not about begging and pleading. It's all about confidence. This is the key that Jesus tried to convey through the Bible. He already knew the answer was coming. When you say, thank you for hearing me, it's like observing something. It brings it into reality. When you're not looking, things go from being solid to just energy waves, and they disappear. Saying, thank you for hearing me, is like the observer effect. It turns energy into physical form. On the other hand, if you're always asking and pleading, you're basically saying you don't have it yet, which just pushes it further away. Think about it. Energy isn't created or destroyed. It just changes form. The form it takes depends on the observer and their consciousness. So when you say, thank you for hearing me, you're bringing what you want into your reality. Here's what I want you to do for the next 30 days. Pick one specific thing you want and make thank you for hearing me your mantra. All day long, say, thank you for hearing me. Usually we want something but then keep looking around for proof that it's not here yet. That's like saying, why can't you hear me? Which means you're in a state of not having it, and that pushes it away. Instead, focus on knowing it's already on its way to you. Listen to me. Manifestation isn't just about wishing for things. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your deepest desires. Gratitude is key here because it shifts your focus from what you don't have to what you already do, making your life richer and more fulfilling. The more grateful you are, the more life gives you reasons to be grateful. It's like a positive cycle. When you focus on what you want and truly believe it's already yours, you start to attract it into your life. Gratitude is super important in this process because it helps shift your mindset from feeling like you're lacking something to feeling abundant. When you're thankful for what you already have, you're telling the universe that you appreciate and value the good things in your life. All right, let's break this down into a simple technique. Just before you go to bed, instead of counting sheep, keep repeating, thank you for hearing me. When you do this, you enter a state where your conscious mind shuts off, giving you direct access to your subconscious mind, which controls 95% of your life. This is a powerful time because your brain waves slow down and you move into a hypnotic state, making it easier for new information and goals to sink in. When you think about something you want, it's already out there, vibrating at a frequency you can't see yet. We call it not real, but it does exist in the quantum field. When you say, "Thank you for hearing me," it starts to become real. As I said earlier in the video, for the next 30 days, keep repeating "Thank you for hearing me" over and over. And here's what I like to do. Add specific things or repeat my desires along with the gratitude mantra. For example, if I want a beautiful car, maybe a dream car that I have always wanted to buy but couldn't due to various reasons, I would say, "Thank you for hearing me and granting me my dream car." That's it. I keep saying that every day whenever I'm free, or when nothing important is running through my mind. I just keep repeating, "Thank you for hearing me and granting me my dream car." The miracles this simple change brought into my life are so unreal and magical. But trust me, when we show gratitude for the things we desire, as if we already have them in our lives, we attract all of them into our lives. This whole universe runs on energy, and we all know how the law of attraction and manifestation work. It's so magical to witness something like that in life. Now, if you want to reprogram your subconscious along the way, you can play some frequency music in the background before you fall asleep. You can find bedtime soft music on YouTube, and while it plays in the background, it will help bring what you want into physical form. You connect to the universe on a whole new level, and I'm not kidding here. It may sound skeptical or something that's not real, but trust the process. When you truly feel grateful, it creates a state of consciousness that sends real electrical signals in your brain and physiological responses in your body. Even if what you want hasn't shown up yet, you'll feel like it's already on its way. It's just a matter of time for the rest of the world to catch up. The more you believe it's coming, the more you start to see evidence of it around you. It's like the universe is rearranging itself to bring your desires into reality. It aligns with the idea that, to those who have, more is given, because you're expressing gratitude as if it's already here. Now, here's some exciting news for those of you who find all of this a bit tedious or struggle with staying consistent. You don't have to worry about mastering it all at once. Simply save this video and make it a habit to play the second half every morning and night. As you do, repeat every word I'm about to share with you now. So, are you ready to change your life completely? If you've made it this far in the video, I know you're ready for a magical transformation. This is your moment to shift your reality. So let's get started. Repeat after me. Everything I want already exists. Let this affirmation become a part of your daily routine. Take a moment to write down what you're grateful for, such as, "Thank you for hearing me. The money's coming. Thank you for hearing me. My housing problem is solved. Thank you for hearing me. A new house is coming. Thank you for hearing me. A new car is coming. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you for the abundance and love." Or, "Thank you for hearing me. Thank you for the good health." Remember, your words and thoughts carry immense power. By consistently affirming these positive statements, you're not just repeating words. You're aligning yourself with the frequency of your desires. This alignment helps to attract what you seek, transforming your inner world and, ultimately, your outer reality. So stay committed to this practice and watch how your life begins to shift in remarkable ways. That's all for today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for hearing me.